So you want to connect your Bluetooth devices like speaker or headphones to Roku stick. First you need to connect your Bluetooth devices to your mobile phone. There's no option to connect your Bluetooth device directly to Roku stick. So mobile phone acts as a mediator to connect your Roku stick to your Bluetooth devices. So here I am connecting my Sony Bluetooth speaker to my mobile phone. So now it's successfully connected. So the next thing you need to do is install Roku official remote control app. There are too many Roku apps developed by other people. Ensure you install Roku official remote app. So once you install Roku app, it will automatically connect to your Roku stick. In order for this to work, your mobile phone and the Roku stick should be on the same Wi-Fi network. So you can see on the screen your Roku app is connected to Roku stick. Click on the headphone icon on the Roku app. This will route the audio from your Roku stick to Bluetooth speaker. So now let's go ahead and play the video in Roku stick. You should get the sound from your speaker. So this is how you need to connect your Roku stick to Bluetooth device. You can connect any of your speakers or headphones that has Bluetooth capability by following this process.